I know, I want to watch something though. I know, see that track? That's us right there. We're gonna get hit tonight.
This is New York right there.
I know, we live in New York. That's why I gave my fans some hurricane tips if they live in the path. This is why I said to get a hotel. I'm not driving myself crazy. It's fun to track a storm. All right, I'll stop. All right, I'll stop. I woke up to the weather, like a blue screen last night. I woke up to emergency alert system last night, and it was warning us about the tropical storm. And you're thinking that's because you had the volume on 0.
Then how did you wake up to it and I didn't?
Because you were fast asleep and it was 1 a.m. and I still couldn't sleep because I was sweaty. And I just woke up.
Sleep in an outfit? That's why you were sweaty?
No, Mama, I don't want to. No, I'm okay.
You had on a collared shirt, and I told you.
Remember, because tank tops are not that comfortable, Mama.
I said put on a tank top.
I know, okay.
And that's why you were sweating.
Yes, that is why I was
Up
sweating.
under 3 blankets.
I guess I was in the wrong, yeah. We don't have tornado watch though, that's good. Yeah, and tornadoes, you see that? This is why I said, Dad, buy some supplies and let's get a hotel.
Okay, Angela, it's okay.
I know, I'm just saying. It was... I sent him a happy birthday.
What?
I sent him a happy birthday. Look at all that. That's something. I know, right? And the flood. I looked into all the details. It said that we're not going to get any flood or tornadoes, but there is a possible chance of some power line damage and trees. That's pretty. I pray for North Carolina and Virginia. Oh yeah, we also got a flood advisory too. Right there. Richmond, Norfolk. A flash flood watch for that area. This is crazy, guys. I can't believe this is going on. I never thought we would ever get another cyclone like that.
What's that sound?
That's the dog acting like a muppet.
You better stop.
I let him out. He
Went out?
ate. He doesn't want to drink. I mean, I don't know what else to do.
Drink?
No, he doesn't want to drink.
Okay, that's fine.
I was on my stuff today.
You probably want to. I'll do your life for you in a little bit.
Yeah. Northeast, that's right. That is a lot of rain.